We all know that no words are ever going to be enough and no kind of dedication will be enough for a loving and caring mother. Here is a video on Art Inspired Fingers about knitting and crochet. I welcome you viewers. This video is dedicated to my mother. You will see a collection of all the designs that I have previously uploaded in the past year. Now this jacket that you see over here, it has been made by my mother. This is a sleeveless vest or a jacket that doesn't have any sleeves. And she made this out of leftover yarn. She was very talented and gifted. She made this from leftover yarn of her other knitting projects. It's very hard to believe. Have a closer look at the pattern. It's a very attractive and multicolored pattern. It's very versatile and adaptable. You can use as many or as few colors as you want. You can pause the video and have a look at it. Here you can see the jacket. Rest of the jacket, the border and etc. you can make in any plain color that you have. And here is the full view of this vest that she has made. Knitting is one of the many things that my mother taught me. Those of you viewers who have been with me previously may have seen these videos before. More designs of knitting and crochet coming up. They are from the video series dedicated to my lovely mother, and making them in her memory have not been easy. That's why I've posted very few videos past year. For this reason, I'm very thankful to those subscribers who are still with me, and hope all of you start watching more of my videos and share them with your friends to help me reach the goal of 900 subs. I've been hard pressed for time with other responsibilities coming up. I do have lots of plans for this channel, and with your support it will be possible. So do watch more of my videos. The links are all given below. And here are the other designs. This is a shaded green yarn that my mother used to make a stole. It is also done with knitting. And now this pink colored full sleeves that you see, it's a front open cardigan. This has been made by my mother as well. It has a light cable pattern. It's front open and it also has a collar. It's completely handmade by her. It gives a lot of warmth, much more than the machine made garments for sure. Although this is just acrylic, so according to the weather over here, it's very good for me. This is a knitting pattern. Again, it's a very different kind of knitting pattern because you see it's reversible. It's same from both sides, and this is like a scarf. It's called a cowl. Now this what you see over here, this is a crochet vest that I made. I made this crochet vest for my mother. This pattern that you see, it's crochet. You see over here, this is my grandmother. My grandmother was very fond of crochet. She used to make a lot of things in crochet. I have grown up watching her do a lot of crochet. You can see how she's holding the hooks in her hands. And she was sort of addicted and passionate about crochet for sure. Because even though she had cataract, that's a problem in the eyes, for those of you who know, she still used to do crochet. And she used to do a lot of crochet. You see these patterns, these are done in thread. And doing crochet with thread is very difficult because it's very fine thread and it takes a lot of effort and time to do this. And this is a crochet cape. My mother made this cape for me. So you can see this crochet cape. We decided on the pattern and made this. You see on the top right corner, you see a video of my mother's portrait. So this video is also available. You can check the description. It will be posted, the link to the video will be posted in the description. On YouTube channel of Art Inspired Fingers, you will find videos of handmade things like crochet, embroidery, painting and all other creative work as well. I'm looking forward and planning to get back into creating more of these things, and all of you who have been there with me, I'm very grateful to you. Do share my video with your friends and help me reach total of 900 subs. Remember to watch the full video and hit the like button. It really helps a lot. See this edge and this tablecloth. This is a very old tablecloth. This was made by my mother. My mother was very talented. She used to do knitting and crochet and hand embroidery. You see these beautiful flowers, the basket of flowers that she's done. It's called thread painting. If you liked what you see, do remember to hit the subscribe button and do remember to press the bell and then press the all notifications, because if you don't press all notifications, you won't be notified of all the videos that I put up. And a big thank you for all those who have been with me. I have reached 300 plus subscribers. A big thank you for that. Do continue to support the channel with your likes and comments. A little goes a long way. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.